I just got my package of fabric from In the Beginning Fabrics. Thank you, Jason Yenter. And look, it all got ripped open and taped. Ew. Let's see how this all turned out. Hopefully it's safe. Oh, ew. Gross. Oh, it looks like everything's okay. Let's dig in and open it. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh my goodness, the panel is absolutely beautiful. The colors are amazing. Okay, so I'm going to be working with the panels for One Block Wonder, plus a couple of panels for the front. Ooh, then I've got this beautiful border, and I'm going to be using that on part of the sleeves. Maybe get it around some other spots. Oh, this all over print, again with the beautiful colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Don't know for sure where I'm going to be using this, but we will see. Oh, this one too. I absolutely love it. Gorgeous. And this one might be my absolute favorite. So that's it. Now that it's here, I'm going to get to work. Stay tuned.